Kevin time for Kevin's channel. I know, I haven't been uploading as much as I should. Whoa, whoa, whoa! It ran away. Oh, look how cute he is. He's like, dude, I'm just sitting here. Photos of the most handsomest kitty in the world. My favorite photo of him still is that one. I just love that photo of him. Let's see if I can find... Oh, yeah, him. He just likes to sit there. He's like, I'm a cat TV. Kitty TV, kitty TV. I'm a cat TV because I'm just sitting on TV. Let's see if I can find another one of him. Oh, I got a video of Kevin. There we go.
Kevin Butters, that's what you do. What you do and what you do. You're climbing on everything. He was up there first, a little spot right there, and now he's here. I don't know what he's thinking.
You know what I just realized? My phone has this little...
He's in...
Hope y'all enjoy this mouthic day. As in, meow. Meow you later.